up? I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys all the new items that I got from JW PEI. So I'm going to break down all the details, costs, price, material for the shoes I have already worn, so I'll give you all the fit about that. The bags I'll be pretty much unboxing with you guys for the first time. If you hear nails click-clacking in the background of the video, my dog is walking around and refuses to sit down. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're into fun, fashion, and relatable content, make sure you subscribe to my channel to get notifications anytime I drop a new video. And with that, let's get started. Got all my notes for you guys in my iPad. I have to say that the first shoe I'm gonna show with you guys, my friend Sam actually has had them for a very long time. And I don't know, at first I didn't like them, but she used to rave about how comfortable the shoes were. Slowly over time, I feel like Instagram was shoving the shoe in my face. So I eventually got it. And I have to say, she was absolutely right. Not only are these shoes super cute, they're also beyond comfortable. So this is a Sara Mule with a little kitten heel, and I got this in the denim fabrication. So this style of shoe comes in a whole bunch of different colors. I believe that there's also a satin version with rhinestones on it. We have this denim one, and then they have a ton of faux leather options. And I think that's what it was in the beginning. I'm not a huge fan of faux leather, but then when I saw these, I was like, oh, this is dope, I need to get this. And they also have a silver one that I saw that I plan on getting as well. So the blue denim one costs $129, but the faux leather options are all $89. And I believe the one that's satin with rhinestones was around $159. I have to mention that there's a site-wide sale right now, and you get 10% off when you use code NEW10. I actually wore them for the first time on vacation when I went on a cruise with my aunt. All adult cruise, Virgin Voyages. I cannot praise this cruise line enough. We had such a great time. The food was amazing. Those videos will be dropping soon, so stay tuned. Normally for a cruise, they'll have like higher end restaurants that you need to dress up for, or they might have specific nights that are like themed. So I brought some heels knowing that I probably wasn't gonna wear them, some flats, and I was like, you know what, let me bring these. I ended up wearing these every night for dinner because they're so comfortable, and because they're denim, they literally go with anything and everything. So I ended up wearing these every single night, and I'll post some pictures and videos up so you can see. These shoes are definitely a 10 out of 10, and you need to definitely cop these if you want something that's cute, comfortable, and easy. These are it. Never in my life did I think I'll be rocking kitten heels again, but here we are. And the last thing I want to note is that the brand JW PEI does not do half sizes, or the shoes I got anyway didn't come in half sizes. They only come in whole sizes. I normally wear 7.5, but I also had wide feet, so I'm always going to go up. So I got an 8 in these, and they're perfect. The next item is the Lexi Terry Slide sandals, and I love, love, love these. These shoes are so comfortable. I got these, when did I get this? I got these months ago. It was something else that I purchased, packed for my trip, and like wore for the first time, and I was really surprised at how comfortable these are. Normally platforms are pretty comfortable. I'm talking about wear time. Like I wore these all day, and I still do now, and these are so comfortable. I wear these to work all the time, to the point that I busted a seam here. I love these shoes, and they're actually currently on sale for $59, and then you got the code on top of it. I'm definitely gonna get another pair. These though, I wish I had sized down to a 7, but again, how would I have known? I feel like, and I'll show these on my foot, I do have enough room in the front and the back, but also from the beginning, I felt like these straps could be tighter personally for my foot, and again, I have wide feet. So unfortunately, the other day, I did get rained on while I was in the city, and these shoes got soaking wet. I thought they were gonna get damaged, they didn't, but I do feel like they stretched out a little bit. So I am going to have to go ahead and add like more Velcro so I can strap them tighter. But again, I think these run big, and the second pair that I do get, I'm gonna get in a size 7. The way the fabric's described on the website is a towel textile, which is pretty accurate. The fabric is terry cloth. I love how the design is like slightly risen while the dark green color is lower, if that makes sense. So the design was pretty much gives the illusion of it being shaved in. Again, another item that I highly recommend from the website. So the next item I'm super excited about. I initially saw a creator on TikTok with this bag and knew I had to have it because I have nothing like this in my collection. And I think it's Apollo. And I think it's perfect to rock with evening wear. And also all their products come in duster bags, including the shoes. I love this. I think it's so pretty, so feminine. I didn't realize I was back in my rhinestone era, but here we are. So the bag is pretty petite. You can't fit an iPhone in here. This is just for essentials when going out. ID, credit card, lip gloss, keys, and all that stuff. So this bag is the Abacus Artificial Crystal Mini Top Handle Bag, and it costs $129. The material is a satin polyester with the rhinestones on top. Hardware is silver, and yeah, it also says cannot fit a cell phone, but can fit like powder and lipsticks. Okay, so let's get a closer look at this. Love this little knot detail here. This bag also does come in larger sizes on the website. It's hard to see, but on the inside there is a slot for your ID and credit card. Super cute. All the bags came in boxes as well. This is the Joy Metallic Silver bag, and it costs about $99. Duster again, cute. One thing about silver, it's always gonna look good in faux leather. Front, back. The leather is textured as well. I got this because besides the fact that it's cute, I needed a bag that was still on the smaller side but had more room than my other purses do. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and there's a credit card slot here. So you guys can see it. I just think this is a really great size. Can fit your iPhone, your essentials, and then a little bit more. And not only is it a good going out bag, but it's also a good day bag, which I needed. Like, I love my Brendan Blackwell totes, but I needed something a little bit bigger. I feel like I swung the pendulum a little too far. I had a ton of big bags, and then when the small purses became a trend, I overdid it with small bags, and I need something that's like more in the medium realm, and this is perfect. So again, the leather is vegan, it's silver, and it has like a textured detail that almost looked like the leather is cracked, but it's not. The lining is also vegan. All the hardware is silver. The straps are detachable and adjustable. It fits iPhone 14 Pro Max. And then it also notes, kindly be aware that products in silver color may naturally tarnish due to their material properties. Upon further inspection, the strap is not detachable, but it is definitely adjustable. And it has snaps so that you can adjust the strap, and it becomes a crossbody bag. I like it. I like it. Yep, definitely a keeper. Next is a Tessa Denim Embossed Shoulder Bag that costs $109. The base of the fabric is vegan leather with like a denim print on top. It's giving old school Balenciaga with the zipper pulls and like the stud details here. Again, besides the fact that this bag is super cute, I needed something with a little bit more size that I could wear day, night, and carry all my essentials and then some. So this bag, vegan leather, the lining is polyester, all the hardware is antique silver, the strap is adjustable so you can wear it on your shoulder or like a crossbody bag. It says the straps are detachable and adjustable, has one interior pocket, one interior slant, and fits iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, so this has the snap closure in the front. I recently took this on my trip to Mexico, and it was perfect for a day out walking. All we did in Mexico City was walk, explore. It was a phenomenal trip. That video will be coming not soon, but eventually. So yeah, we got two interior pockets, one with a zipper, one that's just a slant pocket. And then, what are these? Oh, I thought maybe these were like stash pockets, but they're not functional. I love it. It was perfect for Mexico. The only thing is the base at the bottom, the base of the bag is a little wider than the top. Obviously it gets narrow as it goes up. So you could only fit so much stuff once you get up here, if that makes sense. Like during the trip, people wanted me to carry some stuff for them and I couldn't because it couldn't fit in this bag. It's a little deceptive because you think you could put a little bit more in the bag than you can. But again, this is perfect for essentials. This is not a bag to overstuff and overfill. This was a tough choice because they had so many great colors on the website, but I decided to go with the denim because denim goes with everything and you can't go wrong with denim. I thought the buckle was pretty cool. I love that it has this texture embossed in it as well as the brand's name as well. And that is all, folks. Let me know if you have any questions on any of these bags. I'll be more than happy to answer for you. And don't forget, again, they're having a site-wide sale. I don't know for how long it's going to be. You could also sign up to be on the email list. And I believe you definitely get a discount code from that as well. I just don't remember because a lot of sites are doing it now where you have to sign up for the email list and text in order to get the code. I can't remember what the option was on the website. But again, I think these products are worth it. They're great. I'm pretty sure all these products ship from China, so it does take a little bit bit of time, but it is absolutely worth it. I absolutely love this. I will continue to support and make purchases from them because not only do I love the products, shoes are super comfortable, but it's also cost effective. That is all, folks. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're into fun fashion and relatable content, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get notifications anytime I drop another video. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.